Pinsan. I am the Students Affairs and Alumni Coordinator of Jan B. Lacson Colleges Foundation, Bacolod. And tonight, I am joined by a very beautiful woman. She represented Barangay 3 in the 2004 Linay Sansipalay and won the title. She was crowned as 2007 Linay Sang Negros, and she was 2008 Binibining Pilipinas finalist and was a judge as Miss Talent, an international flight stewardess, and a registered nurse. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to present to you my co-host for tonight, Miss Celeste Mundia Katigan Gordon.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Barangay 3. Good evening, Cheryl.
Good evening.
I'm sure we're all excited to know who will be crowned as Linay sa Barangay 3 tonight. Are you all excited?
And Risa, this is the first time that Barangay 3 will have the Linay Sang Barangay under the leadership of their very energetic Barangay Captain, Jesus A. Alejano. Kap, salamat. I used to be the trainer of Captain Alejano. For how many years? 5 times we won the Linay Sang Sipalay. And Risa is one of the candidates that I brought to Captain Alejano. Okay? We are now ready. I would like to request everyone to please stand for the invocation, the Philippine National Anthem.
Ama namin, sumasalangit ka, sambahin ang ngalan mo. Mapasa amin ang kaharian mo, sundin ang loob mo. Dito sa lupa para ng sa langit. Patawarin mo kami sa aming mga sala para ng pagpapatawad namin sa mga nagkakasala sa amin. At huwag mo kaming ipahintulot sa puso at yaya mo kami sa lahat ng masama, sapagkat sa'yo nagmumula ang kaharian at kapangyarihan at ang kaluwalhatian mag-asawa
Bayang magiliw, talas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bahaw. May dinagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagririnig. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati pagsinta, buhay ang langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga apit ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
I am Sarah Almira Brianna Salvador, 18, proud and honor represent Porokpor.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I, Luisa Las Piñas, 18, representing Purok Dos.
Don't let any mistake let it fall. Instead, learn from them. Good evening, this is Diana Jean Avancenia, 19, representing Purok Tres.
Education is not a preparation for life. Education is life itself. Ladies and gentlemen, people of Barangay 3, good evening. This is Widow Simpson Hikaraya, 18, and I am proud to represent the women's.
Being a beauty queen is made deep inside of yourself. A dream, a desire, a vision. Ladies and gentlemen, people of Barangay 3, I am your candidate gentlemen, standing in front of you, a pretty young lady. I am Yorlin Gacco, 18 years of age, sponsored by our senior citizen. Once again, good evening and happy Fiesta Barangay Tres.
Good evening. I am Arlen May Spunelia, 18, proud to represent Barangay Officials. Good evening, everyone. I'm Nicole Biatingo, 18, and I'm proud to represent Purok Uno.
Ladies and gentlemen, our 8 candidates, a big round of applause to our candidates as well to their designers. In choosing our best in production number, the criteria: mastery 30%, personality and beauty 30%, voice and projection 30%, audience impact 10% for a total of 100%. While for the best in festival attire, concept and design 35%. Suitability and becoming of the attire, 30%. X Factor, 25%. Stage deportment, 10% for a total of 100%. The night will not be complete without the presence of a man who is very outstanding in terms of leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, to give his words of welcome, your beloved Barangay Captain, Honorable Jesus A. Aliano Jr.
Madamo, kaya salamat sa atong mga gwapa so sa atong pinaranggang mayor Honorable Oscar Sinudilla, subong man iya na vice mayor Honorable Maria Gina Lizares. At sa members of isa kanyang panglusod, sa karon nga gabi yari dire ang isa naton ka ISPE member, ISPE Lublisa. Abe, tindo ka na kayo. Plakpakan nato si ISPE member. sa aton nga mga bisita ngayari diri karon. This primero ini nga natabo diri sa Barangay Tres Vista nga kadamo kita sa mga bisita nga naghalalin pa sa kuwa. Paglabi na gid ang aton nga mga players nga halin sa Iloilo nga naghampag ina sa balik laro, plakpakan natin sila kay Ari Isla. Sa aton nga mga judges, may bisita man kita dire nga naghalin sa Amerika. Ipakilala na sa karon sa inyo. Mga utod kag mga ginikanan sa sini nga gabi. Amo ini ang katapusan nga gabi sa aton pista patron. Patronal pista. Nga ginahiwat naton sa kada tuig dire sa aton barangay 3. Sa kaluoy ng Ginoo ang aton pista nga ginahiwat sang nagligat ka karon nga tuig mangin masinadyahon man pagbaginuagon ini tanan ginapasalamatan naton sa aton Ginoong Dios. Labi na gid sa aton nga patron
Tapos ka na.
nga nag-ugyon man sa aton pista.
Piling ibulok na.
Sa mga bisita nga yara kaya sa kuha, kinawelcome na kayo mo nga magasaksi sining plagwaon ang amon nga pista. So, hindi ako magpanugay, madamo kayo kasalamat, kag mayong gabi sa inyong salamat.
Thank you very much to the father of Barangay 3, Honorable Jesus A. Alejano Jr. Thank you very much. And I would like also to acknowledge the presence tonight of our Barangay Kagawas, Honorable Erlinda Nueva España, Honorable Rolando S. Borres, Honorable Benji Binzon, Honorable Marcos Dignumo, Honorable Gaudencio D. Munido, Honorable Dominador Ducay, and Honorable Eddie Golmatico. And I would like also to acknowledge the presence tonight of Honorable Noblesa, Honorable Annabel Noblesa, City Councilor, City of Sipalay, and of course, the woman behind the Lina Isang Barangay 3, the beautiful and Lina Isang Sipalay, Leslie A. Alejano. Ma'am, ngayong gabi. Here we go.
Alright, Cheryl. Now I will be introducing to you the people who have the toughest job tonight, and that is to decide whether who among those lovely candidates will be crowned as Lina Isang Barangay 3, and that is none other than our distinguished panel of judges. Our first judge is a 19-year-old fresh graduate of Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in Special Education at University of St. LaSalle, a former Miss Education of the said college, and she represented Barangay 3 for the Lina Isang Sipalay. And now she's the reigning Lina Isang Sipalay 2015. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Art Marie J. Hitonzo. Our second judge is a graduate of BS Biology in Iloilo Doctors College. Took up Doctor of Medicine at Southwestern University, Cebu City. Had residency in internal medicine at St. Paul's Hospital in Iloilo City. And presently a medical officer 3 at Colasin District Hospital, Antique. He is Mr. Personality St. Michael's High School, Antique. And judged for 2 consecutive years for the Wata Kang Majahas Festival, Antique for 2015 and 2016. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Dr. Yves D. Our third judge is a graduate of BS Commerce, major in Accounting, cum laude, Master of Business Administration at La Constellation College, Bacolod. Miss LCC, 1988, and a graduate of Bachelor of Laws in University of Negros Occidental, Recoletos, and as well Bar Board Master in 2009. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you
Attorney Nelsie Patalita Arcola. Our fourth judge is a graduate of Computer Science at University of San Agustin, Iloilo. Certified dietitian at Central Washington Hospital. A former Miss Computer Science. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming here tonight. Miss Rima Santa Maria. And of course, last but not least, our fifth judge is a graduate of BS Chemical Engineering in Western Institute of Technology. Mr. Chemical Engineering 1991. A manager and head of Gas Asset, one of the leading oil and gas company in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have the honor to present to you the chairman of the Board of Judges, Engineer Jessel Alejano. Thank you. Good evening, ma'am, sir. And of course, tonight will not be possible without our tabulators. So ladies and gentlemen, our first tabulator is a 25-year-old resident of Barangay 3, Sipalay City. Took up Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics at Bago City College, Bago City. Currently teaching Mathematics at Camindangan Extension, Cambugion Annex. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Resurreccion A. Gonzalez Jr. Thanks, sir. And his partner tonight, 28 years old, resident of Barangay 5, Sipalay City. Took a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics at Cabarrus Catholic College. Currently teaching Mathematics at Gil Montilla National High School, Camindangan Extension, Cambugion Annex. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause to Miss Marjorie G. Bansali. Thank you so much. And of course, before we proceed for our next portion,